So I enjoyed really a lot this QSNP workshop on classical meeting quantum cryptography. I think we really needed this workshop to bring together the communities to sit down and describe and talk in detail about scientific aspects related to this hybridization between classical and quantum techniques. The talks were of an excellent quality, very broad. We had speakers from our consortium, from external, we had vision from industry, from academia, and I found it extremely fruitful. I think it will be a great asset. A workshop like this will be a great asset for moving forward in this direction. And I think this is something that we need to do for a roadmap in cryptography in Europe.